Hey, I'm Travis, and welcome to Beard Network. All right, guys, so today I'm going to be covering how to grow a beard. It's searched a lot on the internet, so I figured I'd make a video on it. So step one is don't shave. All right, now a lot of people think, oh, that's easy, don't shave. But once you start to not shave, then you become well aware of the problems that come with it and why you end up wanting to shave your beard. The itch. All right, now that's the one main hurdle that stops a lot of people from growing a beard, is that itch. All right, it just starts itching, they give up and they start shaving. All right, you got to work through that itch. All right, there's products out there, beard oil, beard balm, all kinds of stuff to help you reduce that itch. All right, but you got to stick with it, give it some time, and let your beard grow, and that itch will eventually go away. All right, now that's the main way to grow a beard. It's pretty simple. All right, just don't shave. But there are some other ways that you can help your beard grow. One is you could take biotin. All right, you can get some biotin at any grocery store. You can get it at Walgreens, CVS, whatever. Right, I take it once a night, just before I go to bed. All right, and also you can get a derma roller. Now you can buy a fancy men's derma roller with cool black colors or whatever, you know, that, hey, that's on you. It probably costs more. Or again, you could just go to the store and get a regular derma roller. I think this one, the right one for hair growth is 0.5 millimeter, right? You just get a derma roller and you just roll 10 times each direction where you want hair to grow. Okay, anywhere you want hair to grow, you just 10 times each direction. You go up, down, side to side, diagonal ways, all that fancy jazz. And that supposedly it helps the skin repair itself and stimulates new growth. That includes hair follicles. All right, so if you have some hair follicles that kind of died down, that are inactive, that's supposed to help stimulate to reactivate those hair follicles to grow thicker hair. Now, does it actually work? I'm gonna say yeah. Before, every time I tried to grow a beard when I was younger, or not just recently actually, my hair would start to grow, but not real thick, real fast. All right, so this time around, I actually used the derma roller and I actually used the biotin, and honestly, I've seen a significant difference. All right, so to me, I believe that it actually does work. How much of it is the biotin and how much is the derma rollers, I'm not sure. It's unclear, but I do know in doing those, for me personally, it helped me grow a faster, thicker beard. All right. Now, don't get caught up on all the hype about taking some magic pill or some magic lotion that's gonna poof you a beard, right? Those products don't exist. They're not real. It's a scam. Don't buy them. I wouldn't waste your money. All right. Science. Believe in science. Okay. Biotin is supposed to help your body grow hair regardless, everywhere, not just your beard or anything, but everywhere. So be aware of that also. And there's science behind the whole derma roller thing. All right, but do not spend your money on some fake miracle pill that's supposedly just gonna make your beard grow awesome and look fabulous overnight. Okay, because it's not true. All right, and that's pretty much it I got for this video. All right, real quick, down and dirty. Yeah. And hey, if this video helped you out at all, or if you enjoyed it, then I'd ask you to please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. I appreciate it greatly. And with that said, have a great day.